Eating these
protecting the guys in the
at high doses, it can lead to fatal dysrhythmia or irreversible injury to your heart.
This is terrible.
Yes. Horrible.
Well, this kid did it wrong. You're supposed to eat the chip and then chase it with a Tide Pod. And that chemically...
Oh, my gosh.
Well, that's not true.
Hang on a second. Not true? Not funny?
No.
Not responsible?
They surveyed several sphincters who were quoted as saying, "Stop it." Have you seen the Shaquille O'Neal eating one of these on
Oh,
TV?
yes. Yeah, absolutely.
Shaq,
He's great.
he goes, "There's no way this is not going to affect me at all. I'm not going to make a face."
I won't do that.
He eats the thing. It's just like the cartoon
Yeah.
where the...
The smoke comes out of his ears?
Yes.
It's exactly like
Yeah,
that.
Google Shaquille O'Neal eats the hot chip. It's
That's all.
it's-
That's all.